How to add categories to a post? Well, I'm writing this post. I'm in my post editor screen here. And at the top right corner, I have this drop down. This is my categories drop down. I can click on it and pick any category I want. For example, improvement or fix or coming soon or announcement, whatever I want. And I chose that category, and when I publish my post will be published with that category. For example, this is our widget or Beamer widget in our website. And you can see that this post is published as an announcement, and this one as a feature, and this one as an improvement, and this one as an improvement too, and so on and so on. But you might be thinking, wait a minute, I didn't see feature as an option. And that's correct. You see, these are the default options: new, improvement, fix, coming soon, and announcement. But you can create custom categories by clicking on this icon. And you can add a new category if you want. And this post will be published as a feature. That's a new category. The fun thing is that when you create new categories, they remain saved. They get saved. So if you write another post, this is a different post than the previous one. If I go to the drop down, I can see the default categories and also this one, feature, the one that I created. And that's it. That's how you choose a category and you create a personalized one. Thanks for watching.